Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enter BIOS in Windows. Now BIOS, if you remember, is like a computer's brain. It's responsible for initializing and managing the hardware before the operating system takes control. The BIOS is stored on the chip on the motherboard. It is the first software to run when you turn on your computer. The settings can be accessed by pressing a specific key during startup, often the delete key, F2, F10 or escape key. Changing the BIOS setting can affect your computer's performance and stability, so proceed with caution. If you want to do this, I'll show you how to do it. For Windows 10 or 11, click the Start button, then the power icon, and hold the Shift while clicking Restart. Again, click the Start button, then the power button. Then when I want to press Restart, I hold the Shift key at the same time with it. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to restart. I don't want to do that right now to stop my screen recording. Moving on, for older Windows versions, that is not Windows 10 or 11, what you do is simply restart your computer. Identify the BIOS BIOS access key, and then check your computer's manual. The most reliable way is to consult the computer's manual or motherboard documentation. It's usually specify the key to press, whether it's the delete key, F2, F10 or escape key. As your computer starts, pay close attention to the screen. There might be a message indicating the key to press to enter BIOS. E.g., it might say press delete to enter setup. If you cannot find the specific key, try the common ones, which is the delete key, F2, F10 and escape key. Press the key repeatedly. As soon as you turn on or restart your computer, start pressing the suspected BIOS access key repeatedly. Keep pressing until you see the BIOS setup screen. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate through the BIOS menus. The specific options and settings within the BIOS will vary depending on your computer's hardware, but please be careful, because changing the BIOS settings incorrectly can affect your computer's performance or stability. Only change the settings if you know what you're doing. When you are finished making changes in the BIOS, save your settings and exit. This usually involves selecting an option like Save and Exit or Exit Saving Changes. If you're still having trouble entering BIOS, try searching online for your specific computer model and BIOS access key for more tailored instructions. It's as simple as that.